Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 15th of April 2024. The day is Monday. I'm your host here. As I told you, my name is Rakesh, and I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever views or trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here in this webinar, they are of my own. They are not the Dukas Copy's research team's work. Okay, this is my work, and I'll be only talking about the price action over here. I'll not be talking about what is happening in the world like news or wars, nothing. So we'll only follow the charts for our analysis, and quickly I'll be telling you the key levels of inflection for all the instruments that we are going to see. For this purpose, we will be using the candlestick type of charts. I hope you have an understanding of how to read candlesticks. If not, then I think this webinar will be helpful for you. If you are new to the technical analysis or the candlesticks, I'll request you to go to our channel's homepage, where you can find two playlists. One is the profitable candlestick patterns, and the other one is the profitable chart patterns. Okay, if you go through these playlists, it will really help you in understanding what we are talking about here. Also, I must tell you that at the end of the sessions, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask questions if you have any doubt. You can use the chat box that is provided at the right side of the video for that purpose. And before I begin, I must also tell you that this is only for education purpose, or you can say for entertainment purpose, or for giving you an information edge, but this is not a trading advice. I'm not asking you to take a trade. That is your own discretion. If you want to take, that is all. Profits are yours, losses are yours. That is not my responsibility, or that is not Dukas Copy's responsibility. So before I start, I must also show you this risk disclaimer. This is very important, because when you trade on margin, there is a certain risk involved. So please understand that. When you have understood this, then only hop onto the charts. On your screens right now, this is the daily chart of the dollar index. From here, you can ascertain that this is the daily chart, and with just one glance, you can say that the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So it must be an uptrend. Yes. So very easy to understand that the price is making higher highs and higher lows, right? So what is next now? If you look at the left side, there was in this high which is just broken. So the price is about to close today. There is 3 hours and 49 minutes left for today's price action. Now if the candle closes above, even if it doesn't close above, even then 107. They have this candle 106.96. This will be exposed in this market. That means if we have traded above this high, then the potential next high that we are going to witness is this one, and the price has or the buyers have already shown their power here, that we have broken this level. Now we are going to test this level. Okay, so this is simple, guys. So the next level of importance for us is 106.96, and if the price today closes above 105.86, which is also the mark on the daily chart, then there is a possibility that tomorrow or maybe day after, the price will reverse to this area to test it as a fresh support before proceeding to this 106.96. okay, so the bias is bullish. If the price closes above, then there is a possibility that the price will come back to this and then go up, and if it closes below, then there is a possibility that it will come down to 105.32 or maybe even to 104.82 before going up. The bias will remain bullish till the time the price is trading above 103.62. This is what we have to remember. We should be only looking for the buying opportunities, not the selling opportunities, till the time the price is trading above 103.62. What about the pound? I think we have discussed it on Friday when the price was trading below 1.2500, that whenever the price rises from here now, then this 1.2500 must act as a resistance, and that is exactly what is happening now. Next level on this one is 1.2374. You can keep this on your charts. And on the upside now, resistance is 1.2500. But this is not the ultimate resistance. The ultimate resistance is sitting somewhere here, 1.2578. So till the time the price is holding below 1.2578, we will only be looking for the selling opportunities. All right. When the price goes higher than this, then only we will be looking for the buying opportunities. I hope that is also understood. So the two important levels for you is 1.2578. You can remove this one now. 1.2578 on the upside. On the downside, 1.2374, and for intermediate resistance 1.2500, which is also a psychological handle. What about the euro? Well, for the euro also something similar, but there is no intermediary high here. That's why I'm saying that the ultimate high in this one is 1.0885. So this is your downswing pivot, you can say. That means in this swing, when these two lows were formed, the highest high was this one, 1.0885. So that is the resistance. And below this, you can only look for the selling opportunities. But yes, you can also expect resistance around 1.0724, which was a very critical support in the past. Okay. And on the downside, you can expect next support at 1.05171. All right, keep these levels on your charts. Australian dollar looking relatively stronger than other currencies, but it is on the verge of breaking down from 0.6443. Now today the price has made an intraday low of 0.6454, which is almost 10 pips away from this one. So I'm expecting it to break down anytime soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. But anyways, if it breaks it down, then 0.6339 will be the next level of support. In any case, if the price starts rising from here, then this high of 0.6553 should start acting as a resistance, and below this we should only be looking for the selling opportunities. All right. New Zealand dollar looking very weak below this rising trend line. Now if today it closes below this, then any rise from here should be seen as a selling opportunities. This is possible in this market. Now 0.5940 is a very critical resistance for this market, and 0.5864 is a very critical support for this market on the downside. USD CHF, nothing, a flag forming here. I'm not expecting any move from here today or tomorrow, but 0.9245 is exposed already in this market. Okay. Similar is the case in the USD CAD. It has achieved the target. Now 1.3777 is a very particular resistance. So expect some, I'll say, consolidation here before the next leg up towards 1.3855. Let's see how the things unfold. The support in this market is 1.3620, which is also a level on our chart. And on the upside, we have potential resistance 1.3855 if the price trades and closes above 1.3777. If it fails to close above, then there is a possibility that the price will reverse from here to the downside. USD JPY, I think we have already discussed this in our previous webinars, that there is so much of consolidation has happened here. All the sellers who wanted to sell the market have already gone. So now there is only buyers left. That's why the price is rising. So 157 and 159, these are the levels that we are going to see in this market very soon. 159.88 is the target. But should you buy this market right now? No, because it has already left the the train has already left the platform. So you should not be trying to board the train now. Just stay away from this. Yes, if it gives you another opportunity close to 151.97, then maybe you can look for a buying opportunity. Not right now. This boat has already sailed. New Zealand CAD, well, from this bearish engulfing, we have been looking for the selling opportunity. Even on Friday, there was a bearish engulfing. Even today, there is a bearish engulfing. So there is so much of bearishness in the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian that we are expecting 0.8065, even levels, not this one, but this one, 0.7961, and maybe even 0.7942 levels in this market very soon. That is what my expectation is. Any rise in this New Zealand CAD should be seen as a selling opportunity. All right. So now 0.8248 becomes your downswing pivot. Until the time this price is holding, you cannot be looking for any buying opportunities. What about the Bitcoin? This is a 4-hour chart of the Bitcoin where this channel has broken, and after breaking this channel, these levels are acting as a good resistance. So what I'm suggesting is that 60,818 is possible today or tomorrow in this market. This is what my expectation is. On the upside, expect strong resistance around 66,950. What about Brent? I think Brent we need to check on the daily. I'm not seeing it. Okay, this is 11th of April. The price traded the highest high around 92.19 per barrel, but now the price has diminished to the low of 88.76. It's trying to settle at 89.58. The price made a higher high. So yes, I think any low below 88.75 should be seen as a selling opportunity, because if you go to the 4-hour, you will see that the swings have already broken or almost broken. So not like this, but if you take this polyline and start making highs and lows like this, then you will see that this low was taken by this high, but now this low is about to take this low. Now if it takes it like this, then it should be seen as a selling opportunity like this. This is what my thought is on this one. Okay, if you see the price breaking below 88.75, then that should be seen as a selling opportunity from the downside to the upside, and sell it with the target of 84.61 maybe. All right, gold. Gold also there's a bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar below the resistance. It has closed 23.65. Now I'm expecting a deeper correction on this one. Although the gold is rising, the US dollar is rising, but it has not given any correction after a breakout from here or here. So I'm expecting some correction around 22.28 level, maybe 2228 level. It should correct to almost that level before picking up higher. Right now, I don't think that it's a good idea to buy the gold right now. This Nikkei is also correcting, so it's consolidating before next leg up. There is no sell off as of now, but yes, it is just a correction. If this correction goes any deeper than 38,278, then this should be seen as a selling opportunity with us. Now till the time 38,278 is not broken to the downside, we can be only looking for the buying opportunities in this one. Euro JPY, I'm not very bullish on this one because it has broken the previous upswing pivot. Although it was not upswing pivot is 160.21. So yes, you can say that this is some sort of consolidation in the form of a channel which is going down. So this downtrending channel, although it's not a very good channel, so I'm just removing it. But you have to understand that the price is consolidating and it will be bought only above 165.34. Otherwise, there's no point in buying this. And in any case, if this rising channel breaks to the downside, then also you'll be looking for the selling opportunities in this one. GBP AUD swing, not swing, the market structure has broken to the upside. Now any fall to the downside should be seen as a buying opportunity with the target of 1.9447 in this market. CHF JPY till the time 170.79 is not taken out, we should be only looking for the selling opportunities in this one. AUD New Zealand, I think we have seen this bearish price action here in the AUD New Zealand, and on the 4-hour we have also seen some zone of resistance, and I think that is exactly what is now acting as a resistance in this one. Okay, so expect a down move in this one very soon, but from a longer term horizon, this market is in an uptrend on the monthly as well as on the weekly, but the weekly and the monthly resistances are also very close. 1.0950 is the weekly resistance, and also this falling trend line is from the monthly chart. So be cautious. Even if the price breaks higher than 1.0950, you may meet this falling trend line from the monthly very soon, close to 1.1023, less than 100 points from there. So expect a sell-off from there very fast. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me and I'll be very happy to answer you. Alright guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this 1:3 risk to reward ratio, you will be profitable in the longer run. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. If you want something to be added in the webinar, if you want something to be removed, if you want anything else other than the daily levels, you can let me know. And have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT live. Bye bye. Take care.